Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate the slope of a straight line. So the equation for a straight line is y equals mx plus c, where m is our slope and c is our y-intercept. So first I'm going to give you the intuition to calculate the slope, then we'll do an example to make it clearer. So here on the right I have our Cartesian plane and we have a straight line, y equals mx plus c. So now our first step to calculate the slope is to choose two arbitrary points. So let's make it easy for us to calculate. So we'll do one here on where x is equal to 0 and one, let's say, up here. So we'll call this point x1, y1, and we'll call our second point x2, y2. And now the equation of our slope, so m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and in this case we see that x1 is equal to 0, so this will be simply y2 minus y1 over x2. And now let's inspect further. We see that y1 is actually just c, which is our y-intercept. So we can rewrite this even clearer as y2 minus c over x2. And now this may seem a bit complicated, but in an example it will become much clearer. So let's erase this now and let's turn this into an example. So let's say this is, let's erase this and this. So let's say hypothetically now that this first point here, P1, is 0 and 5. So 0, 5, x1, x2. And now P2, let's say that this is 10 and 15. So 10, 15, P2, 10, 15, which is also x2 and y2. This should be our y, sorry about that. And now, a simple way to look at it is that the slope is basically where these 2 points meet at right angles. It's the hypotenuse. So now let's plug this into our equation. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this is equal to 15 minus 5 over 10 minus 0, which is equal to 10 over 10, which is equal to 1. And now we can write the equation of our line. So y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to x, put the 1 in brackets here, but it's really not needed, it is understood. And c is just our y-intercept, so c will be 5. In this case c is just y2, y1, this. And yep, it's as easy as that. So thanks for watching and I hope you understand.